Booking with GOTG is really easy. We take care of everything basically, from our delicious 5-star food to stunning decor. We've got a selection of photo booths, DJ equipment and more. And if there is something that we can't provide, then we can connect you with the best service that's going to help bring your event to life. On the day, we've got everything covered. We look after everything from setup to clean up, and you guys will really just be able to focus on, you know, enjoying your event and celebrating with your guests. So yeah, make sure that you book with GOTG and we will take care of the rest.
For the first I want to channel there, please do subscribe, like, share. You know what I mean? We're talking at the edge. Let's go. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Well, I just life though. Turn the light on. As your queen, your life gone. Me see what them up to. Them too stuck to. See what them been drinking, and I hear what them been thinking. One king, one king, one king, one king, one king, one king, one king. One king, one king, one king, one king, one thing. Then I know them I play with, and I owe. But we change. But we change. Nothing new to me. You can never get used to me. This is not what it's supposed to be. You push me to my destiny. I see you from a mile though. Me read all your style though. This world is ever changing, but I'm gonna change too. I'm gonna do what the wicked men do. I'm gonna change too. You don't know me. You don't know my story though. I come from the gully, and I come from the hills. I come from the gully, and I come from the hills. Remind me of myself, success on my destiny. They wanna put me on the shelf. You don't know me. I one king, one thing. Let me get my mind right. Give me some time to process all the things I got around me in my life. Make me go and drink a red stripe. Make me go and burn a big spliff. Let me go on easy.
What's up, Sheila? Mountain girl. So my dad do I read an interesting book here.
Oh, you alright though?
Yeah man, me good.
You know, say I come with thank you for when you do me other day.
Girl, you don't have to talk. But anyway, you have to know what you have. So you know say, when you think about it, I say, you know say, and anybody you can do there is something they do. You have to know what you do next time. You can't try to do something with anybody. But you know me always going to do the feel, because you're my sister. And you know, blood thicker than water.
True, make glad for you every day. Glad for you every day. Make glad for you. Girl, why? That the man there, he take care of me. The man when me have, him not do nothing. Him want princess treatment. He want me to do things for him. He want me to mind him. He want me to go out the road and work and mind him. If me never stand strong, you would have breathe me and give much pity and I would have to mind them. And me tell myself so me not make that happen to me.
So you have to have a head by your back.
Yeah, and we find a man when willing to help me. You know, so the man, me so gonna foreign.
Yeah, say to me.
Just keep it between me and you. Me so gonna foreign, you know.
That's
And
nice.
the man decides say, take me over there, can me go foreign. I look how long me there with this man and he nah do that for me.
True. Come to look at it. It's like a your blessing this year. You can't make it escape.
So me know Father God we understand me know say no when me not when me right, no right, you know. But him a go out there and him a do things too. And he nah respect me.
Yeah. One of them a man do things.
Okay, so me go out there, me get the opportunity, me take the opportunity only come once in a lifetime. And me nah make this a why I miss me.
I wouldn't advise you to make him miss you neither.
So just keep your mouth shut.
I don't mind one man come take me over right now and married me.
Don't worry yourself, your time so come.
I want all one is soon dead. That means when he dead, me get him home, he can't run the land. But because as a little sister, I just tell you, be careful. Because you know, so man a kill man these days. You don't want to hurt my sister because I don't want to have it big up a boy.
Right.
But just know what I do next time.
Yeah man, just come to tell us thanks with you here. We really appreciate it.
Just me catch you right for a long time. You know, so me catch on quick. I don't eat that in a girl.
And me a guy for it, so in someday you know you're not to worry about nothing. Once me over there, once me get myself together and me dip on my foot properly, anything you want you call me.
Right,
you know
but
you're good.
This ring a bell, you know, because me know people will tell me say, no worry yourself, me got fired, you know, you got alright. When me a call their phone, they not answer.
Yeah, well,
but me not gonna say you gonna do the same thing still, but me hear that every day. But if you get two figure over there, me happy for you. Whether you want remember me or not, me still there as a sister.
but me not forget you not being no time.
Alright.
Blood thicker than water.
So where you gonna know? I pass, I pass.
Yes.
Oh,
I work me I come
when
from.
me see door push me, I said, then I hold so bright. But I must somebody where me family or somebody where close to me.
Yeah.
I just stay still.
Why things not easy, but you know sometimes you have to just you can't look back at the past, you have to think about the future.
True.
Think about can me look me say man this a man you come from far where you come from.
Like
Far
what
where
we
you
kill
come from.
Philip. And from when Philip we kill back Wappy. A long time for China. When we think about it. Ah, God.
And this a man when we find and make me live so in life.
See, that's why not before time. This say not before time. How much girl out there want to find one man who take my friend?
Why?
God bless me.
Give yourself in due time, maybe your blessings are go greater.
What to tell? Right now, I'm going to go on the road later too, but I just wait till it turn night more, you know?
Yeah.
I really want to go out there now.
Yeah man.
So I'm just going to relax a little bit. Then me go take a shower.
Yeah man. Alright then yeah.
Yeah man, go and take care of yourself.
Yeah,
Smell
man,
is
I
there.
go cook in dinner anyway.
Alright. Yeah. Just pull up the back door.
Alright. Why me I look missing them up here, but we don't see.
Where before the people? Come on, before.
Not no green.
Yeah, man, that one look like your work book.
The sheep, that means Satan.
No worry about it. Cause me have she cap see that place about now here and it's still good. The body can not for it. It's go good. So we are cook it, you know. Cause this one already yet, you know. This one feel like tomorrow. You understand? So maybe if you not right by tomorrow, maybe next day. Well, we can do better. Cause if we poor, we poor. If we rich, we rich. But I believe so we are come. True, I don't know nobody now. All of my friends them do things bad and rich. But I don't want to do nothing bad. Right? So, me ain't not married yet or nothing. But we did settle that those part. So anyway, come on Sheila, make you go home. We have a little beverage here. Eat with 2 slices of bread. Go in bed, I'll look for you first. And we're going to pour that.
don't copy yan. Gusto niyo ba mo sa mga wako? Yan ba din? Siya. Wala.
Watch it.
Frightened, you know?
Yeah, he's a bit frightened, so.
Never frightened, man. Basta you know, say how me a baby, me easy to frightened.
Yeah, well,
Kaya actually ko pa yada me ako sa say, pa mi tell waka man di ko waka lang yung place, you know, when my way come.
why yeah, we step long, so.
Ayan, the plan is out na sa way ako.
Go.
Ako eh. Tule. As in tule. Girl, me happy with you. Jesus
That's a
Christ.
girl.
Nabala panic na wala ko panic plane na.
Girl, you know, we stay already.
Really mo hold forward for a man, that's why me I tell you.
Oh,
Ako
God.
me attack me na may time, me no know me I go do me I go drink some rum.
I pass out.
Yes. Oh, like so what time flight you have?
2 o'clock.
Oh, you have time,
Yeah,
man.
man. Should we close set up like I say, rain or fall.
Yeah. Girl, you should leave from 4 o'clock. Cause you see when I'm
No,
at
sir.
time, if me fly 3 o'clock, me leave from 5 o'clock.
So we
How
can
when
make
you
that through. Me have straight drive.
Me
We out there
understand.
wait for me still, so.
Girl, safe flight. Wish you nothing but
Yes,
luck
girl.
and all the best.
You know-
And just let me know when you're
As
ready.
soon as we reach me calling.
Alright, Mr. Gabby.
Take care.
Yeah, man, you
And
too.
stress out yourself, you know.
See what?
Alright.
Oh,
Take care.
stress now you're again.
Alright.
Oh, go on. Yeah, man. I'll come for look at the next side. I know you see it.
What do you want?
Yo, if I yesterday, I don't see her, none at all. I don't see her at all, you know what I mean? We go check her sister though, you know, we go to her sister yard, maybe in the evening. Yo. I wonder if we go report it on the station, because I don't know. You know, I don't hear for now, I don't hear her phone, but some of her things them gone, my money gone, so I have somebody wall her up. But something I go on though. But I want to check her sister still, because it don't look good. Yeah, man, yeah. But we talk though, because right now, we're not that one good place, you see? Alright. You know get what one. Me I say, I can't find Sheila. I look down, I look up. I look round and around and I know we can't find a sister. Me think say me and her did have such a band. We have go through life. Anytime I have it, she get it. When me not have it, we still work hard and try to find it till she get it.
Why?
And me get a piece of money and sure about the money and everything. She gone, the money gone. Now me regret it.
That's on her way.
Anyway, me not know if she gone, you know. But somebody tell me out in the street said she take the iron bird. You understand? So me there still I go and watch, you know.
Yeah.
You know so she can't have her.
Awesome. Cause news that to me.
But are your sister? But anyway, I know for your business.
Right.
Anyway, me up on the road. You good though.
Yeah, man, me alright, man.
My name take you away because you show too much. What you
They
want?
can't take my money, so me huge.
Yeah, man. Yeah, what go on now? Yeah, me know, man. Me know exactly what go on. You know what I mean? Oh, but my family let me there all the vibes, man. But yeah, me meet one new girl one day. Yeah, man. So, me hear say the house around so where for me ex sister used to live. Me say she gone too. My ex take over she too. Well, them are good for happy for them. They go and go them at the but me have a new woman and now and for me then is suitable. Try see if I can get that room that house for me. Is it? Yeah, man. I lie. Then send on the number no man, me call them and get the house then, no, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Alright. Enough respect, man. Oh, yeah, left for the island too. Well, look at everybody are good. But, yeah, man, do what you have to do. When I get them, you try to get a flight too. You understand? Alright. Enough respect.
Put it on.
Be something the pants,
Be a one.
be a light, be a something.
Like a big elephant.
What go on?
There, man. How long for see me?
That me I say how long me see you.
But me call your phone and you not answer what?
You don't call me?
No, look on it. How what happened? Me ain't on my list now.
Call and I phone me there and me see no call.
Girl, me know you. You always see me call and you ignore the call.
Not that auntie, so where are they?
Why? You know, say you me run come check up on you to see if you're come. Me think I sick, you're sick. Me no hear no breeze blow about you. But me glad you can stay alright still. What go on?
Me alright, man.
You look hungry though. You don't name from money.
Nah, so.
Why?
I want money for Barry. Can you lend me money?
You don't have money?
If me have money, me would ask for you.
I have phone. And even if your phone don't have no credit on it, no please call me not on your phone. We could have sent one please call me and me answer you back. You know me always have credit on my phone. I saw you stay. So I see you that stay over here and dead for hungry. Suppose me never come over here.
Me didn't call you, but me just there say me go and hold out till my man come.
Hold out, man. Hold out.
No, I want the money.
How much money you want, so?
But I want 5,000.
Hold on, me lend you, you know, me lend you. Because I trust you if you lend you my money. Because I know you will give me back when you
care
have
back,
it.
man.
I know. Anyway, Wallace. Alright.
So where I did otherwise?
I just see me the link to see if you're good because you not call me or nothing and me ask so much people fear and them and say they not see you from when. So I want to know if I did drop down in your house or something. Because I know normally you would have come on me yard and we sit down cook and eat and everything, but so you go, thank God say alright still.
Nothing like that, man. Me just kind of stay in.
Hey, yeah, you plan to married? You find one man now?
Yeah, I'm man long time, but sometimes I have to give you a break.
You have your man long time?
Yeah.
My niece, look for me good. Me just lend you my money and you're looking at me at him, boy, you have your man long
I'm
time.
not there.
So your man have a pocket, man? Eh?
My man have money, what you mean?
Which part in there? You know there, you know there in Jamaica?
Yeah, road.
Road? You work? What kind of work you do?
Where you want to know that for auntie?
No, yeah, me
You lend me money. You want it back?
No, me love.
Me go get back your money.
Me know you go give me back, but me say I did for hungry. Me lend you it already. Me dey lend you from my heart.
Me not dead for hungry. Me just hungry. Me not
I hear
dead.
and you boast. Me not boast pan. No man say me have my man. Hungry, I kill me. I'm mad. Sing wrong with you. You feel have sense. Why you not look a job? Nice girl like you. Why you just sit down in a house and wait till man go out the road to go hustle beg them friend $1,000 or $500?
I can't bother with 95 right now. I want to work from home job. You don't know when I work from home job.
Work from home?
Yeah.
What you mean? Online or you want to go
I want to stay at me and work.
That mean you go work online? Online you go work?
Yeah.
You go work online? Then that me did ask you before. You
But
act like
I
me
want
idea.
something legit.
So when you buy one of the newspaper, star them, whatever they want to call it, observer, mirror, whatever they want to call it, and search it because work always available in there.
Me no know. Me go check about it.
And whole heap of call center they all about. My backside.
Me go and check out it.
You know, say at sun hot, me no know how you sit down in so whole day. What a loving girlfriend like you, your man must like you if you sit down whole
Yeah,
day.
I have to love me.
No nyam. You like you if you chew. Kind like idiot.
Me, I love him.
Yeah, in love you, kind love idiot. You sit down in a house, not working away for him to go beg him friend them a road to come give you something for
My
you.
man
That's how in
don't
love you.
beg.
You know beg.
Work.
What kind of work him do? You know, you and me know saying now work. If I see him like a dirty foot, butter foot boy, you used to do it for a long time.
Me no know what you talk about, auntie.
What you mean? Alright, Donny. You get the money, hope you buy something to eat and
Yeah, me go buy something to eat. So where are they going now?
and when you cook you don't give none.
What you mean by so me not have to cook for me and my man eat? I ain't gonna give me money to give back. So
If you
anything
work.
me I buy, ain't gonna
He
give.
fi work, he fi work.
In my work.
Anyway, I just need to go and check up on yourself. I go run go in the town, go pick up something you know.
Alright, be
Plus
safe
me
and
left my
thanks.
clothes them online and I don't want rain fall out with them. You know, stay rain anytime. You
That
catch
me
crab
I see-
later?
Yes, that's why me I stay in. Catch which crab? Me not eat crab. Me not like crab.
Well, me I go a crab bush. You can come with me if you want. We come pick you up. You come?
Yeah, me come fi drive out, but me not want a crab.
Alright, later.
Yeah, later. Boy.
Hello? Log on. Good? I can't.
What?
Log on.
You alright?
There, man.
I don't say this here.
Yeah, no, somebody I go
I
on.
never know. Say I don't say there no. A taxi, me ready to take and go back to my yard, you know. Your yard, me come, you know. And me not see you none
I
talk.
know, so me can't go me yard and know people.
You know them a look for you, don't?
Yeah. So we get him there, so. Sure, nobody no for come down here.
Look here. Look here, me know say me your cousin, you know, but me not like where I go on.
You know what I mean?
Me not like where I go on because you have to depend on hideout. You know I go down already. So what you go do with what you go do about the situation? What go happen now?
Well, with all of the money I have seen, they are pre-say. But they are pre-say me I go invest in a studio. So I invest in a studio. So invest everything in a studio, turn on a big artist and white out, you know? Because I say they know me black, so I look for a black somebody. So when they see me back now, white out, so yeah, just wait till everything and look at something and cool down first. You
So
see me?
hold on there. You feel say true they when know you with one different complexion and now you get one and different type from a complexion from that the type of complexion there. They not gonna know you.
No.
See your face can hide you know.
Listen now. You don't understand now. Remember now, they black. So now me brown. Me look a bit brown now.
And that me just a say to you, cause listen, me a ask you one question. Me say if you think say true they when know you with one complexion and now you have a different complexion, if you feel say that can make a difference if you think say they not gonna know your face. Number one, everybody knows you're short. Everybody know your voice. And for your looks can't change. The complexion might change, but for how long? Them a look for you.
But watch out now. When me do all of this, turn big artist, white out, you see me? Because you know, say me in a studio and sing and sing my voice are strain. You see me come, I go want to go high, go low, go high, go low. So you know, say it have a little twist in it. So I go sometimes, I say, Mr. Sell, you know. You know, I do that, you know. I still do it, you know, but think I good on one day. I have it on the low. So I have the money, so I go invest in a studio and things.
And you feel proud of yourself, the chat how you used to sell land. You still do it?
Not like one time.
Me ask you one question. The land them where you sell the people them, you have paper for it? You have no title for?
Well, you don't know, go. I don't have one thing for it, but he sell.
You see? What you would do and what you take on in your life, a prison work. Them the kind of work that you take up, because me not tell you no life. Me, if you vex when me gone and so, but a prison work them there, you send yourself to prison. So you go after the hide forever from people.
Yeah. I not hide every forever. I not done till I'm plan a while ago.
Okay, me just come to warn you to make you know say them a look for you. Everywhere in a Kingston, them a look for you. Montego Bay, Westmoreland, Hanover, everywhere them a look for you. St. Anne, St. Mary, Manchester, St. Catherine, then they look for you everywhere. Right now, if you're not mind sharp, me not guess. If you're not mind sharp, and I see you sitting come here, one little passa ground, your face, they down a station, and your picture same way as your face, they in the cleaner. Anyway, I feel look if nobody come out there. So anyway, as I tell you, I can't go here now. I just want warning me come give you.
Alright.
You understand?
Best up for you look warning still.
Alright.
Alright.
So be careful of what they do to yourself. Because when you're young and giddy, you know, and seek money, you know I do the wrong thing, the wrong way too. Later.
Alright.
Girl, fix now. Fix now? Yeah. So I said, where say I go now? Are you tell me where say I go? You know I make some money? Me have some way I can make some crazy money. So think about me. So it is like a package. You just contact somebody, man can contact someone, man get the number, you just contact him and then you make some crazy money from this. So you know I make some money.
So you know I make money while you make it.
Me a couple sugar daddy when no, me don't want this. That's why I give you as my friend.
So what the catch?
Alright then, so after me give you the number and then you just contact him and then after that you just make the money. It's a package, you know.
So me have to go buy the package.
No. He did everything for you. Just contact him and tell him say I'm me send you. Understand?
You have to pay for your package?
Yeah, you have to pay like 200,000 for your package.
200,000?
Yeah.
So how that gonna make me get money?
Alright then, after you pay for the package, the person when I go take the link with for you, I go do it everything after you pay for the package.
Man, I really just them online something.
Me your friend girl, what you think? You think that me I go set you up?
Man, I know, give me the number.
Alright, give me your phone and put your number in here. Yeah, so just time say I'm me send you, you know?
Alright, so just call them and tell them say you.
Yeah, just call him and tell him say I'm me send you.
And then everything, you just make some crazy money, me I tell you, girl. You see how them top girl, they just on top car? You know want to be one of them?
So,
And me I say telling for you, come me have sugar daddy, you know, me no want none of this online money. Sugar daddy, I take care of me.
I hope it legit come and I trust them. Something as I say.
You have to trust me as a friend.
And that me do that say, I take the number.
Alright, then just contact you and tell you say me send you.
Alright.
Alright, then I'll go away, yeah, so just go big up yourself.
Yeah, ma'am.
Alright.
Yeah.
Call the person, you know. Yeah, morning, yeah. No, me give somebody a number. So me set a link. Yeah, me set a link. So you have to yeah, she have money and something. So just chop her a big piece of money. Yeah, no, me not let her down, man. She need diamond. She go link you. Eh? No, man, just keep me up. Yeah. I'll be search up her a big piece of money because she have money and so my man they have money, so yeah, she have money. You brother me I do this to me and you so what you mean? Alright then just chop her a big piece of money, yeah, me I go work, so me link you later or something. Alright then. Yeah.
B, you done the parish?
Yeah.
I have one or two errands running in the morning early, you know. I want to look up where to finish on, so.
See here.
Thank you. You're good though?
Yeah. Where say I go?
Well, I have to go run up and down and ground on the block, let's see what them do because I give him a bridge in the car for fix. So, himself I can't check him. You understand?
Okay.
Transmission, boss saying fix transmission, so I go so I go on.
So who that?
I want bridging out on the road there when you have a stop. I want to check him now.
So I never give China them to fix it.
Well, you know me have to believe enough my people them first. So, I have to give them a try, regardless of what. So, the chance will not get problem, you say you can't deal with it, give him the benefit of the doubt. So, I go feed them, I go out there and I'll feed. But I gotta work first. Let's say I flash off and render one. A piece of wall, them go check him in the evening.
Okay, do it.
So, what are you today?
Not much. We clean up the place already, so no. Just a good day I watch movie and so.
Well, I rather know say day I watch something more than the road a man I watch you. Cause you know me kinda jealous, you know.
Eat a bit porridge, come on now, what you talking about?
You know how me tan. Now fucking fall for mangoes, so make you tick up and strong up.
Say tick me up, fill up me in the house.
Yeah?
You're mad. I have to go outside. I'm not home, my young girl seeing me.
So I want the car fix so I can carry you outside. Where you want go there, go advertise yourself?
Me not advertise myself, man always a drop on my foot.
So man, you go there, go.
I never say that.
So where you go there?
Say that.
So what you talk to me about?
Me not lock up in the house.
Who say go lock up in the
furniture.
house? No. No lock you up.
I don't know, you can't.
You say that problem take up on myself, you know.
Why can't eat the porridge? My friend might come over yesterday, so I'm not gonna.
Oh, the ball getting one with color here.
What you say?
The one with the Christmas year style. I see him down the road over there. Like him a Christmas tree on the head.
A pink birdy girl have you. What you talk about?
No, so my time you have in all different colors. You just color to me.
So that girl, you have to do what you have to do.
But I don't want you up on the road like how she up on the road. Show me your friend, I tell you you are so careful.
Maybe we are talking about. You know a friend? Oh.
Money, how are you?
That's not my friend them. You talk to when you give a bone.
I'm gonna do something, man. Tap that down. Easter pass, not one bun there.
What do you hear? Me not see one. Since they call you one Misha or Mika, I call your phone and I answer.
Yeah, because I get some work on I have to do. And I can't make you run there.
Anytime people are calling phone,
You
I see your work.
some of the time you have some, you know, no work. But they have a month no work now and go on. As you get one work, everybody are call at the same time. So you have to hide out some of them. Then you call them back.
Where are the sir? I'm going to put on this. Or Pankwa.
You have somebody that come on? Oh, because your friend that come. Up in like a man come here. Bill, get ready for going now, you know.
Come. Where's he going now?
Come on, never say I'm up on the road, don't look over. I'm so forward.
Yeah, later.
Let me call me. Hello. Yeah, man, may I come?
Call the people them now. Yes, hello, good morning. Yes, it's Diamond speaking. I got the number from a friend. Yes, oh, you said the procedure going on. Okay, so alright. So you get the money and stuff. Okay. Yeah, just send me the information and I'll go by the Western Union. Yeah, later this evening. Okay. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really trust these things, you know. But because I'm a friend, set the link, I just go work with it, so hope I'm not disappointed. Okay. Alright, thank you very much. Yeah, send me the information. Okay. Go all up bed now. Got a nice girl, you know? I'm going like that, you know. Yeah, Auntie Candy, what go on? Yeah, I have the summer figure here the money, so I meet you in night town. Alright, yeah, I'm ready. Just be a damn thing. Alright.
Yeah. What go on my niece? You get here already? Girlie come like you know say me broke and me nah no money. Me glad say you get it to give me back. Because good while now me lend you money and me know say you go give me back cause me did kind of forgot about it, you know. Anyway, me there in town, run a one of them mall or so. But me go walk and grown. You know where breadfruit tree there beside the next supermarket? Yes, where they near close to the West End taxi stand, but not exactly there so. Me will stand up there so man. You can come there so and come meet me and give me it. I can't wait to get it right now. From morning me thirsty and want buy one juice and can't buy none. And everybody pass me and see me and me they beg them $100 then that did if they give me. Then so me figure look walk. So me glad say you get it to give me back. Yeah girl. Alright, meet me in night town. Alright. Same place where me tell you to meet me a day you to meet me. Can't wait for you to back your money come give me. Thank you very much. Yeah. Hi.
Auntie, what happened?
Me there man.
Auntie, what happened?
Me there man.
Yeah, I did something
Hey.
me carry come give you.
Eh?
The money me carry come, man.
Yes, me couldn't wait for your care come. Me glad you fought. Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah, man, alright.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, man.
You see too, you're my niece. And the kind heart you have. I mean, trust you feeling my money, but I'm not telling you, I think you went thief, you know, I know, say that
Yeah, I
came back
did that,
me.
man.
You can take this and buy one drink.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah. And thank you for your back your money, come give me,
Yeah.
Alright.
Thanks, Auntie. Yeah, so I come deal with some sitting in town. You know, my friend always come up there or something. Yeah, so she set me up on one link.
That same friend the way you used to tell me about?
Yeah, she set me up on one link, me go rich.
Yeah?
Yeah, she set me up on one link, me go rich.
Who tell you say you go rich? You think say so rich come?
Yeah.
No man, diamond. Me tired for warn you and tell you say. Stop make people turn you in an idiot and not so rich go.
I know any people, Auntie, I'm my best friend.
Best friend?
Let me
You're
tell
not
you how
best
the
friend?
procedure go.
Friend, listen. You see best friend? Some best friend are crosses. Some people will you take for your best friend a real devil from hell. Are the same best friend them where you put yourself in with already. You come back to me with argument again about best friend. Oh, you know see you're going in the world?
My friend not do that.
Your friend not do that? Watch
We
how your
go
boss
rich.
say, my friend not do
Go and
that.
buy one markets.
Oh!
You. She give me
God.
number to call the person. And then go send me package.
You realize what you just said to me?
Yeah.
You go get rich. And you go buy me one markets.
Yeah.
You know get rich yet, you know? And you're sure of the markets you
Me
go
a
buy
claims
me.
you can't believe my friend. It legit a good something.
I wonder if I sacrifice, then go sacrifice you. Eh?
Here, sacrifice. No,
So why
Auntie,
they believe in that? As somebody come walk up to you and
about
say,
that.
"Chew you and
I
them
know
my friend."
anybody as me say my best.
Me I go get rich. You believe say you get rich.
Yeah.
No, me not say you can't rich, you know, but rich how? Where and when?
So me not tell her about the procedure. She give me one link. So I that it me come in that town for transfer money to somebody.
Be careful
Then go give me one package.
Oh, hello, Diamond. Listen, you're my niece. I'm the warn you. Be careful of the link there. Where you feel say a link Them they are linked without chain. You will lose your soul.
Auntie, it kind of look a bit too late because as I say, I'm coming at town come do. I just wire the money to the person. I'm on the gram. 200,000. So as I say, I'm going rich. I'm get the money, I buy the market. So don't worry yourself. Yeah, so as I say, I'm going rich. So I'm get the money, buy the markets.
Buy me markets.
Yeah, you don't want the markets?
Me no want it.
Where you want?
So hold on there. Where you get that money here from? Come give me.
Me dey have one piece of money. As me say, I'm going to wire the money and that's why I'm going to carry on and give you.
The money where you wire, where you get it from? Whole of 200,000.
Me dey have money saved up and I have my husband.
You're married now? God, may I beg you, bless and sanctify that money because if a wicked money take off the crosses off it. You know me broke and me hungry and me lend her my money and she care back and give me and no thief me take it. You see you? You're not listening.
You want me to get auntie?
No want it back, take it. Me don't give you already. But be careful. You know see a base coming and go on over roll and the police them a catch them and lock them up.
Well auntie.
And then come out back.
Pray for me.
Me if you pray for you and badness say I don't know girl if you did that work your honest money now me pray for God cover you but
so me I go work when him send the package you know I make more money me I flip it 200.
No my mind tell me say something I go and fishy and funny and all kind of way right yeah so and me not indulge in a fear foolishness them alright you know what me I go now thank you for about my money come give me
alright
and you and your crosses stay go on me go and call for me go on now me no want hear nothing more alright go and go wire transfer all 500 more thousand all million too but no me no want no vehicle from you remember me want you must think you make no crosses car come crash with me what did you what happened to you
crazy
this girl
crazy
the reader saying broke to Bombard. Making up me in tail and you will see you pretty. You think you pretty there now? That no. Think you and people name peacock. Help me a little dirty ras sitting like I say. Help me. And he now help me. Help me. Where I go fool?
Ready now? Can't defend down there, sir.
Come.
I can't tell you if I'm going to the cans.
Stay in the yard. Me soon come back. Make sure you see you don't come out of the yard. That me I tell you because I feel you already, you know. What me say? Go on back in the yard. Because I notice every minute you go over Papa's yard. Papa tell me the other day say you take out in fish and run gone with you and make me have to pay back for 5 pounds of fish sake of you.
Well, I know.
Zina, come back in the yard. You see when you go along underneath him man car when he might drive. You go out the road, you alright? Come Zina. You no go on back in the yard. Zina, go on back in the yard. Papa tell me say you go over there, you know, go take out in fish other day, you know, you make me have to pay for 5 pounds of fish. What you going underneath him man car? Go on in the yard, come. You come go out the road, you alright, yeah, man. Me feed you know already. You know to walk about, don't follow back on me. Go on back in the yard. Me soon come. You know, no listen, you know. You say if you go back over Papa's yard, go take out in fish, me not pay for no more fish, that me I tell you. Go on back in the yard. What go on? A long time you tell so?
Yeah, mama there for a while, man, I will have one vibe, so you're dealing.
You know, say in the town, I take a one walk door, I want to go buy some plantain and some breadfruit, you know?
Yeah, can't go more than some, man.
Yeah. When I finish buy them something there, I go over doctor already. I need to go do some regular checkup, you know?
It makes sense, man.
Yeah.
You know what, say? I carry my car now. Go get a virgin, because I find out that the transmission not working on it. He said, I buy one of them from up Mandeville about 2 years ago. So let's get a problem. So now, I go get a virgin to fix the transmission. And when I pick it up back now, the virgin said, drive it on 1 gear. And on the way coming down, it not to reach Negro's spot. It does shut up. The aisle run out tight and it does mash up.
So you ain't fix it?
It never look like it never fix.
Or you not understand what happened to your vehicle?
So him tell me say he fix when he never fix. So now the engine mash up now. Cause one problem we can't go with one problem. Now you have more than one problem. So I'm just there go and hold it off still. I have some work to go do.
Here you know. Me feel say you have to fix the car there and sell it. Because the car they go make you spend all way you no got.
Yeah man, it costs enough man. Me take out the engine right there now.
Remember say the last time I borrow money. I don't talk about it, but I truth. I waste too much money.
But you give back your money though.
You give me back your money, but the last time I borrow money from figure fix it and it will give problem again.
I tell you man, that's how you go man. But I just you see when you're poor, that's how you go buy used car. But if you're rich, you know somebody buy one brand new something. Tear plastic off it.
One at a time.
So we not reach this yet.
One at a time, no worry yourself.
Yeah man, but I'm good though, so you're good.
Yeah man, so me
when I'm looking at Virgin, I wait for him. He say that he go pull on the car and see what's really wrong with it.
Okay.
Then he can tell me which part to buy it back, one to buy it back.
Alright, you want me to tell you now. Make it be the first. I'll do I know it first.
You go be the last.
Make it be the last.
Me I fix it.
You buy one old car.
Yeah man.
Just continue pray and go and save up some money and buy one new car.
Till you can buy one new car.
Yeah
man.
too much money man.
Tell you man.
And the people them original to where sell them car there, you know.
Alright. That is it. But that's my work. I have to drive.
Yeah.
That's the problem. But anyway, I'm Virgin, I wait for see if he can pull on the car for me because it's on the roadside.
Alright, look come on.
Yeah man, that's our word man.
Yeah man.
You see your niece, right?
You don't say me not see her yet?
She up a yard, man. You have to check her now and then.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
Because she has stressed me now and I don't want to mash her up.
I can call one taxi. Yeah, hello, good day. Yeah, can I get a taxi, please? Yeah, just send my location to the number. Alright. Yeah, once you come in on the plaza, you will see me. Alright.
Auntie? What? How are you there, sir?
What am I come by?
Oh.
Yeah.
What's going?
I just call one taxi fee come to me. In my town.
Doctor ready me I go. Look, can I see sign?
Yeah, me see sign.
I go check my heart, my liver, my kidney and my lungs. All my fallopian tubes. Everywhere I want to check up.
Who are this?
Yeah, because no one again you have to do a regular check up my knees. So I go on.
True.
Anyway, girl, I'm glad me see you now. What? Come out.
I want go on.
For this so before they come bounce me. Listen here. Me see a man in the town.
Oh.
You stayed about Stayed about
So why if you see me, man?
Your man stressed out because him say him car pop up. He broke down, he have no use and he have no money if he go a mechanic. Girl, you see the money where you did say I go buy my markets? Remember say I go buy my markets? Use it and fix your man car. Or buy one car game. Remember me did tell you something I want it?
Well, about that, you know, scam them, scam me. They made it that want me, it never legit.
Wait.
You see a taxi me a call for carry me water. Auntie, I scam them, scam me, you know.
What you say?
Scam them, scam me.
How you mean then scam out?
I didn't even know if my friend did in it or what, but never legit at all. You know, see a taxi me call for carry me water. Broke like a dog.
Then scam you?
I want 200,000.
God. That's why you have to pray to God. When you tell me say you just send off 200,000, you just wire it. Remember you tell me say you just wire it, you know?
Come and check say it legit, I'm more rich.
And you start upon your high heels. Say what? You go buy me markets. What me tell you say?
You do want me?
Me know things that come from God and me know things that come from the devil. Me tell you say me no want it and you have to be careful but you know listen. See it there? You come and take taxi like me. Well, I rather go and walk on my 2 foot them and take taxi until God bless me with a vehicle. You know, have to be market.
Right now.
Any vehicle as long as it's good. You want rich too quick. You want rich and don't work for it. You want easy life. You see anything when name easy come, it name easy go. You got it? Bye. Stand up and take your taxi. Me gone. Doctor ready, me I go. Let me do like, okay. Bye. Anyway, wait, hold on there. That girl there. Come not even say girl, cause she not like she a woman. That the girl that will put you in a this and cause you.
I'm a friend.
In a them a problem yeah. Where she there?
Well, as me say, I don't know if she in it, but my friend, my best friend, Mona, will always come
Where
up
you
here.
explain and I talk about my best friend this and my best friend that.
So
Me
she-
say where she there.
I don't know where she there.
Me not
Probably
even want to hear
work.
where she name.
Alright, yeah.
Because me have to find her. Which part she gone?
She probably there, yeah.
Probably say you don't know nothing about her whereabouts.
You know my friend with the pink hair, Mona, who always come up there. She,
That the girl there?
yeah.
And she you make scam you and deal with this so hard. Remember what you tell me say? Auntie and my best friend, she not do me that. Listen, woman tell us a friend to friend. You don't get it? You
You
got
didn't
it now
tell me.
though. Listen. That the girl that we have the pierce in her nose, the 2-part.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean I no joking on me say for the one with the 2-part her nose.
Yeah,
Pierce.
she with the 2-part of yes, boy.
Where she there?
Me don't know. Me every time I go look for her, them I say me just miss her. Me I call her, me not get her.
Every
I
time
don't
so it's
know.
like a plan.
Them can't go and try to sell them to you. Come on, go. I'm my thing say, you have to stay to live, you know. Look on this.
Along
It
with
look
the
like-
scam.
Yeah, it look like she did in it.
Oh, don't worry yourself. Me and my dog them I go look for her. Don't worry.
Alright,
Me I go a doctor.
Alright.
We call you.
Yeah, yeah. And what is a taxi there? So now I get hot.
How come my friend? A long time I not see you. What? Then how you help me, so?
You know from when me I look for you? I saw we live, I see the things now.
Look for me for what, baby?
The link where you give me. What am I? What more 200? What about my money? What going for my money, girl?
You don't get you?
When me make me get you, a scam. And
Scam?
look like say you didn't know about it.
Me?
Come here, look for you from when.
Girl.
And I answer my message and I
Girl.
answer my call. And every time I
Oh,
come
me,
look
if you scam you and me, I try to make you make money, millions.
so how me not get paid from them time then?
Girl, because I'm busy, as you can see me, I me too.
So all of a sudden as I give me one link, you're busy.
Girl, we are talking because obviously everybody get their money. Oh, you never get your money. How happen?
Everybody but me, I get my money all now.
There, me
I
don't
get
know,
no
me don't know.
package,
No, me don't know because
With the person I contact
the
about
person
nothing.
when me set the links for are good people them, business people, and everybody what we give the link get their money. So we are talking about, oh, you don't forget your money.
Oh, me I get my money. Me tell
You're
my
sure
auntie
you do what me
want.
say you have to do? You're sure?
What you mean by me sure?
And the right person will say the money?
Yeah, in it. Me tell my auntie what I go on, and my auntie go see to that me get back my money. That's all me have said to you. You is no friend. Come out of my way.
Say I go on now, girls.
Yes, me just stay here. Say you don't miss me.
So me no must miss you. So anyways, what me I say is that so y'all know you don't really feel me in what you did there.
Alright. I tell you, say, me did go country, go cool out. Yeah, why? Because I couldn't bother. I can't bother with the stress and the problem and the chaos with everybody. Everybody's a fight over you and I just cannot bother. You not put your woman them on a leash. You not put them on a girl when they know say such and such. And you need to do that. If I don't do that, I don't think me and go can stay together.
I mean, Mama, you me. So where's your about me now?
Yes, me say, as what me always say. Me want you to do right by my daughter. So make sure that you're going to do everything you're supposed to do. Because I don't really like you, you know, I don't like you because you have one bag of girl with me pick me, you know.
Me not really like you too because every time you see me, you have something to say bad, you have something bad to say, you have something to attack me about. You see me, but talk your talk still.
Oh, it's bad.
Talk your talk, me I listen you.
How you plan to deal with this whole heap of situation where you have going on. Me want to know, but I'm busy about nobody speaking, I'm busy about my daughter, so I need to know how you plan to take care of her.
Listen, man.
Yo, come in. Come over here, sir.
Hello, miss.
Here, sir.
Miss.
Come over here, so me no want hear none. Hey.
What problem?
You see, if me not ask you no question, don't say nothing. Don't talk until me tell you to talk. And if you move, you're not gonna like it. You understand me? Where you know my niece from?
Your niece?
Yeah, my niece.
Where your niece?
How comes you and my niece a friend?
Which one?
I one niece me have.
Where
and you
niece?
know me. You act like I say you don't know me. Me see you already a couple times. No, so nobody go on like you don't know me. No. Me see you a couple times around the place, you know.
Sikapin, where is your niece? Because you get me confused.
You don't know my niece?
No.
Alright, you soon find out who my niece. You see me niece, you see my niece, and she are your best friend. And you use you other, they know one of them, but listen now which one. Me not even call no name. You use one of the best friend and con the other friend. You line up in a one way till you take off money off of my niece. You know me I talk now. A two best friend you have, but you con one with the other. You use the other one and con my niece. Take off 200,000 off of my niece. You're supposed to know me I talk about now. Me have to go call name?
No, me have to.
Okay. So listen to me now. You hear me? You see my niece? She suffer a lot in her real life. She worked very hard to be a young girl like that. And at the end of the day, she rate you as a best friend. And me can't believe say you use one best friend and mess up the other best friend. Girl, you messed up. You cannot do that to your friend. Remember when you call on yourself, you know? The other one where you call best friend. Me don't know where you call her, but me see her too. But me sure see you call my niece bestie.
I never mean to do that.
And she have your name in a fear phone as bestie. How the hell you figure sit down and plot against your own friend with another friend? He's a hypocrite. Right now you're in the midst of the two of them where you call best friend as a hypocrite. Because the same thing where you do one, you will do the other. Listen to me now. You see if you don't want no war in that area, come if me did see you, and kind of spot you out a couple times, but I don't know you like that way you live, You understand? But yeah, me don't get full info. See upon the road there you live. Me just don't know where your other best friend live. You understand me? But you what me I say now, you see if you want peace, reign, not in Israel, in Jamaica, and in Jamaica want peace. You are going to give me every information about your next best friend. Because you see the 200,000 won't can my niece and take off her. I need it back now and I need it to wire to my account. You know, I'm going to send it to my phone. You hear what I say? So anywhere your friend live, you going to tell me where she live. And matter of fact, you can go halfway go show me away.
No, miss, we can't.
Well, you see right now, you go come with me halfway and show me where your next best friend live.
No, miss, we can't do that. We can't come back. No, we can't do that. We can't do that. I'm sorry, but we can't do that. We can't be asking. We can't do it. Miss,
Walk.
miss,
Now, walk.
miss.
Which part you go? So or so? Where she live?
Find the road.
Which one?
That road.
Why? You're not even going to bother deal with me and go there. Just show me where you say Pana Road there.
On the road.
Round on that street in there, so.
Yeah.
You're sure?
On that street, yeah. Salman Street, yeah.
Come. You going in front of me because I don't know where you can go, If you think you get it tonight, you don't like you, you. That me and tell you. Alright, come here. Oi, yo, come. Stand up right there. You must have an idea how much house from the house here your friend live. You understand?
Yeah.
So right now, you go tell me how much house after the house here and have to follow me. Because if you feel say you not go in a things and she go say you're bait, you don't have to follow me. Tell me what color the house in and how much house from the house here me figure.
I don't remember what color, but I 2 house and this house. So the third house.
But if you say me idiot feel left for you and then me one go there in a run gun and you can me now because we will come for you.
We not do that.
We will look for you. No jokes. How much house I say you don't know? That means you have to go follow me go halfway and pint on the house.
No, no.
You have to go pint anyway there.
See, right up with
I don't know which house. Look how much house. Guess what?
third house after
You
this.
just say you don't know. So guess where you go do? Because you're not style me, Come on. Follow me go. You say right up there so me not think of two. Where you do?
Alright, come, we have open.
Yo. You come to me.
For what?
What you mean for what?
I don't ask you for what. I know if I'm somewhere.
You not have to know me. But you know my niece.
Who's the niece, miss?
And your friend con my niece and take off 200,000 off of my niece. And you hear me now? I come back to my niece money. Without doubt. I have to get it.
You sure know what I want?
Listen to me. You go wire transfer it to me. Come back like in a bike. Hear me now. So now transfer it to me. Right now you wire it.
You give me money for
Say
a
you go-
transfer?
Yo, you hear what me I say? Me not come here to figure out with you, I'm not the kind of lipping thing with you. You go send it to my account right now, straight to my phone.
Right, me say
And then me send it back to my niece. You
me say
understand?
niece, can you keep on saying my
Me not have to
friend?
tell you who
Me don't know what
is
you're
my
talking about,
niece.
lady. You get mad?
My niece is your best friend. You understand? So you see the can one no can my niece. Again me I go repeat and take off 200,000 off her. I need it back. No. Are you me attack?
Your niece, my best friend. Money.
Your best friend is my niece's best friend. You may attack.
Should I say me have the money?
You're the laugh. I'm serious. Right now.
Lady.
Get some information, say right after you say you're living up. Take care. Come over here, sir. Come over here, sir. You think you make no camera over your yard, pick me up. Come over here, sir. Yo, come up here, sir. You're not going to go like you're not bad girl from your friend. Come here. Turn up right here, sir. Turn around. Where your phone? Money right now. No talking. It's me shut your box out here. Right now, send it to my phone. Give me your phone, let me give you my account number. Now.
Tell me your account number. I need to get my phone.
Give me this.
So how you get it?
Yeah, you know.
Give me this.
What did I bomb up? Yo.
What your account number?
Why am I public me thing in the public? Give me the phone.
You can't get it on
Yo,
the
give me a phone. Give me a phone. Yo, give me a phone. Yo, give me a phone.
You
Give me a
can't.
phone.
I said, give me your account number. That me say.
Give me the phone.
Give me your account number.
Account number in the phone because I want the thing now to send back to my niece.
But if me not give you can't get it. So give me your account number. Tell me your account number. I'll send you the money.
Give me the phone.
No, you can't give
put
my
in
phone.
my account
But
number in
just
there.
say, tell me your account number. Let me send you money.
Badly share play. Yo. You see the laughing thing where they pan? Me know you know because you take it for joke. You rob my niece. You and your best friend. And them the kind of people they want to call best friend. You see your best friend? Is my niece's best friend. You see what she do to my niece? You and her? Look out. You are next rat trap, you know. Yes. You are the next bait. And she go do your worst. Because the two don't know. I fear her best friend. If you never know. So guess what? You see the money where you take off her, eh? I want it now. And the two want to do it. No. So you go wire it to my phone. And me now call out my number. Make nobody hear. Pass the phone. Your phone lock. Pull it. Give me this. Yo. Easy yourself. Hold this. You see this? You see
yes,
that?
me see it.
Okay, send it to it now. Hurry up before me shut your box out here. Boy, you can laugh up with me after you take off my niece money. I want to tell you, girl.
Send. You send the receipt here.
Hold on, my phone is on silent, girl. See, as long as you live, don't do that to nobody again. Not even the pussy dog or rat, else next time you're dead. That me I tell you, and you don't know who you play with. You see, when you look girl fi no can me niece again. No take off no money off her. Else it now go so pretty next time. This is not a trick. It's a promise. Hold that girl. That me I tell you. A matter of fact, you know what? I just reach up there so I remember something. You scam my friend, that means you're a thief. How much money you send to it for me? I just see 200,000. Watch your niece all I call me. I just see 200,000. Send me 100 more thousand to give her. Foolishness so you do. Put in it. Right now, you don't know it, do it already. Send it, make me see it. Send 100,000. See my niece I call me. Yeah. Yeah, me they down on the road there, so man. Which come down on the same road, man, over scheme, man. Round here, so you see me. Like no, round here, so on the left and go up there, so on there. Right here, so close by you, me there. Me there close to the house. Just come around the corner and 5 straight. See the house up there, so on there. See one corner on our bend, then you don't see me on the straight. No, see house the one I shoot. I turn in 100,000 more to it because this is a punishment for you. That means as long as you live, you don't do this to nobody.
Well, unfortunately, now I'll get it. You have to go back to your your friend and get it. Cause this one, look here, account empty, no money in there.
Girl, I tell yourself, you tell us something. You never know.
You can look by
No,
yourself.
your friend, your next friend. Your two best friends. You have one best friend. Your best friend have another best friend different from you. Well,
I
your
know
next
that.
best friend tell me say you have 3 accounts.
Like she tell.
Girl, send
She have the money. See there?
$100,000 more. Me not take no girl from
Me say,
nobody.
see.
This is a lesson to you, but you learn. The next time you won't do this foolishness to nobody again. 100,000 for the 200,000 you just send. That means 300,000 you send. Send it, you send?
Send.
Hold on, girl, wait. Okay, yeah. That you forget. You're lucky something else 500,000 because yo, some now a lick in your face, girl. That me I say. Next time you do this something there. Diamond. Me just get the money. Yeah, me get.
Sorry, sir.
Here and now. Me not have no time to talk about that right now because me dey hurry. Me dey on a mission. Me have something to go complete. So guess what? Me I go send the money to your phone because me have to go right now. You hear?
Yeah.
Where your account number again? Put in on this. Alright, so let's see. Alright. See there, you send. Look, check your phone.
We get it already. Thanks.
Alright, your phone is on vibrate, come in here.
Yeah, definitely.
You sure say you sending on this, you get
Yeah,
it?
me see it, man.
Alright, so guess what? Me have to go in now, you hear? So bless up yourself.
Thanks
Me we
again.
talk about this when we see you back.
Alright.
Here, and just what you make happen to you,
can't
don't
reach
make it
me
reach you again.
Learn my lesson.
Because you're not listening, that's why that reach you later.
Yeah, thanks.
Operate by a remote. So you can have it up in the ceiling, you can have it, then look where a plug is. Or you can get one of this socket to plug it anywhere the plug is dead. You know what I mean? Just anywhere you can put on a job card, a bam, you plug it, you get the fan right there, face, you get the ring light, you can set up where you want to set it up. Alright, you can put it in the ceiling too. Right? I'm going to show you how it works though. Very easy. Alright, so do what you do now. Change the light.
Change the light?
Yeah.
Change.
It have several different color of light. It have white. You know, it have the reddish. All the different good like a party light, but it's good. The fan is very cool. You can feel it. You know, you can adjust the brightness of the light and everything. So it was like 8,000, but now we're dropping the price down to 6,500. You know what I mean? Yes, so that would be good. 6,500 and you get it. You have your own ring light
And
plus
guys,
fan.
you can make it dark as you want, you know.
You can make it any way you want. You see the remote here. You work with the remote. You don't left it to the kids then they will mash it up. You know?
We can do that, but we're not going to pick it up.
Alright, so next. What? Next up we have the bulbs. This is the camera. Right? You want to walk from your yard. No matter where you're there in the world. And you want to walk from your yard, you get one of them cameras. Good. Very cheap, very affordable. 5,500. Yeah man. So you put it anywhere you want to put it. It rotate round. And this one you can talk on it. If somebody in the yard they can say, yo, where are you in my yard? And they hear what you say. Right? And then it have well different features. You can see some on the back. The features them what it have is on the box, right? So it have a lot of things there, the ultra. So you see my number on the screen, you contact me and get one of them. We have a lot of them, you know. So you have to get one now. Watch out, I'm show you something now. See there? We're in any socket. So if you have an outdoor socket you want to put in night, put it in the night. The body not to know a day and a worse a day, you work in the night, you know. And you have AI in night. So it's very smart. You locate people. And remember me say you can't talk to somebody in your yard. Somebody come in your yard, they can say, yo, you can't say, I don't see you now, you know. So then can't say, you never see them. Alright, and you can record the record straight to your phone and things. So just, the man will go there night, you can't go wrong. In a demo time and nowadays, you need this right now. And it's cheap. Sell out. So it and the fan and sell out right now. So I two things we have on the market here now, run the place. And now the camera and the fan and every little thing. So get yours right now. See the number on the screen. What are you waiting for? You should be calling me now. Order yours right now. Sell out. When it's done. Come.
All of the fun to the fun. Very nice.
Listen, this is how you go forward. You have to sell, buy and sell. Alright?
Yeah.
So you decide, okay, I look at business, me and start up. Alright? Yeah, man, bless up. Jamaica, body down to the ground, man. Yeah, man. Live and living colors, you know? Yeah, so for family and friends out there, be safe in this season. Yeah, look at we are going on election. And it's going to be a fierce one. You know what I mean? So, let love reign over all things, man. My people don't be caught up in too much things, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, not getting yourself too worked up, you know what I mean? Be safe. Yeah. Just be safe. And do the right thing. Anyway, when they are going to put in the work as usual, not change. Yeah. Hoping for better. You don't want far-fetched though, you know what I mean? But we there try to do it still, you know what I mean? So we never stop, you know what I mean? And the movement start and all over the place and all the work are going still, you know what I mean? All the things are going still, so we there go and do it, you know what I mean? So big up to the people them out in the world, you know, where I try to make an effort, you know, for better Jamaica like I is doing, you know what I mean? So it's a good look where effort, you know, is at times. You know what I mean? We still do it, and my vision for moving in Jamaica. Alright, we said something. The first time we do the first movie, my brethren say, yo, fire, movie thing now gonna know in Jamaica, you know. That's how a person said to me still, and it was a bank person, somebody working in a bank, you know what I mean? And the next one was a person who worked in the music industry. And I must say, yo, you have a good idea, you have a good story about nothing I'm going. You know what I mean? And after doing 2 movies, God, don't let something now go on still in my mind, I say, yo, we are waiting now, don't care what people are saying, bam, we do the 2 first movie. Yeah, it cost me a lot, you know what I mean? You know, we create before I create the money and just make up here and do one by one. And then me do, what me do next one now? Me do the Carelessness was the second movie. After that now, one youth went flying. Before? Then we do one show where you can go town, go Edna Man, go do one competition name, watch your story. And I think then after that we do the show name, they come up. You know what I mean? With one different producer. You know what I mean? And we look upon it. So I put a movie about 9 years. You know what I mean? So I just in a COVID-19 and them time, you know, we take it back up because I know as it start, but it's just in the same period of time. Like we say we start shoot this week. By 2 to 3 weeks now we about this something that take over the whole place and rare. So me and Popeye and Richie. So Richie linked me and said go do it because he have an understanding about YouTube. Because I don't know about YouTube. Because I was asking about it. I say, yeah, I can't know about YouTube because I don't know nothing about it, you know. You know what I mean? So he link with somebody who understand, who have a channel already. So I saw come in page me and I say, then for you have the link of the deal, you go deal with it then. So we start kick it. So I call Popeye and say, Popeye, come in. We go do some work. You know what I mean? So you see, if you watch the Richard Brown films, you see the first movie we shoot at, so when the one of the players, you could have seen the black them. You know, you black them, you never rough cast or render or nothing. So you know, say a good while that. So the journey is still there, but what me I try to say, and from that time doing it, we haven't get any real help from Jamaica to structure it. Not only that, there's not even a platform or bill in Jamaica to sustain movie. If we say, alright then, we have a hero to put out it. So if a man say, oh, if we are some means, we say we rise up our money and do a project. We now have an outlet in Jamaica, we now have a TV station where we really focus on our movie. So the people them could get back a thing out of it, because you can't put in a movie will go up on a big TV station and then one can buy a box food. You know what I mean? So the fight is real then. You realize say now where the man them when set out, the man them out there in the world and realize say Jamaica have nothing to do with development of its people in one sense. You know what I mean? Like in areas like entertainment. So you have to actually go do it yourself. You know what I mean? No matter how much pretty talk I want make, you have to do it yourself. And when you do it yourself, maybe they will come give you an award. You know what I mean? Yeah man, before we go further, pick up the Jamaican youth run the race and win, because that was anticipated for see the two of them run, but that's not the real big match yet. So we know say them have a world championship and so we know say you gotta be a rougher one the one there. So the youth from Jamaica for those hold up in head and those know them go on doing practice, because the Virgin from America really are gonna come back wicked in the world champion. So maybe see what go on now. So you know say both of the get, you know, so somebody have to do it. Yeah, so it's life itself, man. So you know say the entertainment and like the artists them and the runner them, they lift up Jamaica, you see it? So I'm happy when I see them do the work. You see it? More should get a football team we could really stand up to, because really I think say in Jamaica right now there's a lot of skill baller we could play like Pele. Me I tell you, them born with the talent, but you know, there's not enough things going on in the country to really find that. Because you have like a real structure of football in the country. Because you have big old field long and Negro Leopard, there's a store back up on, you know what I mean, I don't know what I'm going to now, but them they have a 100 ball, 1,000 ball over the throw down and look at you them from in that era for just go and play some ball. Cause a big thing, you know what I mean? But anyway, we're not the real for what me I said here. It's a fight and it's a war. And we know we shall win. We know we shall survive. So out in the world now, we have to go try to figure it out from forget the real link them. You know what I mean? Because people are going to know one movie can change everything in Jamaica. That's why you don't need 10. One movie change everything. You understand? Not put in a pocket, but to change the whole, we call it, the whole concept of us not being able to go on the big international acting surface of movie industry. One movie can carry go there, put you up in there, so we can get different work from overseas. HBO can call, Cinemax, all of them places, you know what I mean? Netflix, all of them places can call it. You know, say, oh, wow, a movie want to put in a different producer worldwide. It's needed because our brand Jamaica is big because of the people them of Jamaica who put in the work. From most likely the singer them, the artists them play one big role in it from Bob Marley, and then you have both, the Bob Marley alone, you know. I mean, you have all of them, Peter Tosh, you have, there's so much artists, you understand? Where play them part. Capitan, Sizzla, the list go on and on. Wally artists. For the dancehall side, you have Buju Banton, you have Cartel, you have the whole network, the whole network, the whole of them, Alkaline, the whole of them. Everybody play them part and push the brand. So the name is big. So I know that movie can become reality in Jamaica. You know what I mean? It can become reality. You understand? Big up Spice to car, he might go and do the TV part, he might do the reality show. So you understand? So I know say the star then they are Jamaica. The only problem is Jamaica, the system in Jamaica don't believe in the people of Jamaica. So you need some people from out the world now to believe in the people of Jamaica now. So we can put it to the forefront of the thing. You know what I mean? So what we do now, we do a flood. So anytime you type in Jamaican movie, it have to be a sprung off of what Richard Brown Films and JAMMIWOOD started. You understand? Down on the west side there. You have to see it. It have to be there. So it's evident that we are doing something. So some new things are coming though. So one I think I look into, I say right then, I can't sit back and wonder if somebody will come change it. So when me I try to figure out now is actually doing them big budget movie there for ourselves without nobody else. Because you not get no sponsor for do nothing. You understand? Really, you know, see the people will come up. But if you should get a break, your body will come. But what before you get the break? What if you never get the break? You understand? So you have to go do it. So that's what we say we are going to do. We are going to do it. So if you're out in the world and make a link, man, we can figure out a way, you know, to incorporate different people in it, like where production part is concerned, because we have the beauty of the country and we have the raw talent, you know. So with that, we can create magic, you know what I mean? We can do movie nobody not see it, because we have different story where the world not see it, you know what I mean? So but there I go on with the task still. Give thanks to say I watch a movie or go on, and look forward for the upgrade. Me I try to get a big camera. Yeah, but it cost me 2 arms and 2 legs. You understand? So you know say me have to save towards that. But when we get that camera, then now I'm gonna start shoot on a higher quality, and then in the meantime we're gonna try to get ourselves some official movie done from Jamaica. Get official place them in it. Just get the things that make it official. You know what I mean? 1 and 2 girls walk out naked and then thing there. Just to tell a story, because when the story real, just real. You know, if they are dead, and a girl walk out and show them. I London house, you now walk out with toy. You know what I mean? We want the realness of the movie to bring forth. You know? We want the real thing, you know. So that's just the idea and the plan we are moving towards. So where they are going with it, and they're going to put in some work. So we have a lot of things in the pipeline, but we can't talk everything. Yes, so whoever in that production phase, right, you have a company you want, we put it out there to make the link, man. We can figure out something. You know what I mean? Let's go.